Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Aries. Thank you guys for your support. I'm really grateful for your support. We are reaching 10k subscribers, guys, and it is not possible without your positive comments and your great support. So let us start the reading now, guys. Aries, so for your daily energies, these are the cards. For your career situation, Aries will be picking one card each. This is for your career situation, Aries, and this is for your relationship. We will open the cards as we proceed into the reading, and I'll be picking one card from the Rumi Oracle deck. So this is your Oracle guidance. So we will open that card at last, Aries. So for your daily energies, guys, it's 9 of Swords, 8 of Wands in reverse, and 4 of Cups in reverse. So with these cards, guys, in your situation today, maybe for some of you, you are anxious about something. You are really emotional and sentimental today. You are maybe stressed emotionally. It may be because of some guilt. You may be having some mistakes that you did in your past, or it may be fear for certain situations or circumstance. Today it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life, guys. So something is stressing you today, or it may be some kind of excitement, guys, in your situation. Some thing you may be anxious or excited about an arrival of some person, a new person in your life maybe, and that may be the reason. Maybe for some of you it may be sleeplessness because of some exciting situation going to unfold in your life, some new person, or it may be the mistakes that you did in your past, your mind hurting you, your conscience making you feel guilty today, guys. Maybe because of some arguments, fights in your situation with this person, or some kind of mistakes in your career, guys. So that is what I see here with this card. And maybe for some of you, you may be getting some, it may relate your career situation or personal life, some new relation or some new person coming in your life today, guys. So you may be happy for it, happy in that way. But for some of you, it may be some mistakes that you did, you have not overcome that past, and that guilty conscience is there and it's troubling you a lot, guys. And some of you even may be sleepless because of that. Let us see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It's the Temperance. So with this card, guys, in your situation today in your career, you are able to find that balance and harmony in your situation, and you are able to make the right choices today based on your skills and talents. You know what you need to do and what work you need to do, and you are also understanding your situation, maybe some past failures, that lessons you have learned, and you are doing things in a different way to reach success. That is what I see, Aries, with this card. Let us see what is the card for your relationship, Aries. It's the Tower in reverse. So we see here that maybe you are taking a break from your relationship, guys, maybe because of your something stressful, maybe some fights, arguments, some misunderstandings in your situation. You are in separation from this person, and you are slowly coming to a realization of what your situation was, maybe for some of you. And you may, for some of you, the situation is so slowly cooling down. You would have felt really stressed and emotional past few days, but you are slowly healing from that situation, guys, getting that understanding in your relationship, the reason why things went that way. So you are getting that clarity, maybe for some of you guys. That is what I see with these cards. Aries, for your daily energy, for your career situation and your love energy, guys. Let us see what is your oracle guidance. So this is a Rumi oracle deck card, guys. So these cards are based on Rumi's poetry, and these poems hold the essence of love, guys. Such beautiful cards. We'll see what is the card for you all, guys. Sacred Union. With this card, Aries, in your situation today, guys, it comes with a special message. So whatever is happening right now, destiny is playing its part. So you are healing, and you are letting go of your past abstractions, sufferings and misunderstandings today, guys. So in your situation today, you are moving towards that healing. If you are in a relationship, that is what you need, maybe, guys. And it may result in a deepening of commitment with this person, and also deepening of commitment towards love. So that may be what you feel towards this person, or towards love in general. And you are attracting, maybe for some of you, new significant relationship in your life, if you are a single right now, and if you are open to a relationship. That is what this card is about, guys. So whatever in your heart of hearts you feel, maybe if you want to move into a relationship, your call, your wish or prayer is going to be answered. So that is what this card is about, guys. That is the guidance with this card. So you will be moving towards that deeper bond with this person, deeper connection, or it may be a new person, significant person, who is coming towards you with love and that deeper connection. So that is what this card is about, Aries, and that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.